Okay, this is reaction rates, and one of the things people oftentimes think about when they think about this topic, reaction rates, is, well, how do you make things go faster? So in this screencast, we're going to show you 5 ways you can increase the rate of a chemical reaction. Of course, if you go in the other direction, this is 5 ways you can make a chemical reaction go less rapidly. And a lot of them are common sense. We'll use a mnemonic device to help you memorize it. And maybe on your own you could think of a couple more that aren't on the list. This is Screencast 13.4, Increasing Reaction Rates. Alright, 5 ways to change the rate of a reaction. Hit it with a stick, spelled S-T-I-C-C. S stands for surface area. If you have something and a solid, for example, and you grind it up, boy, it will react much, much faster. It's why they turned big logs of wood into kindling. Increase that temperature. The molecules will move faster. More collisions means more chemical reactions. Change the identity of the reactants. Now, if you're mixing 2 specific substances, that doesn't come into play. But sometimes one of the substances can be varied to give a certain product, and so there you go. You can increase the concentration of the reactants. Make it a more concentrated solution. That's going to give you more collisions since there's less space between the molecules, and that should help. And one of the most interesting ways, but sometimes a little bit overhyped, is to add a catalyst. A catalyst makes it so that the collisions happen between the right partners and at the right locations. Very intelligent. Are there catalysts for most garden variety chemical reactions? Surprisingly, not necessarily. And they might be expensive. But what a great idea. And your human body, of course, via enzymes is using them all the time. That's 5 ways to increase the rate of a chemical reaction.